the sense I am, in God is I am, says, please define God. That's what brought all this on, folks. She shouldn't have asked that. Anyway, I amness I never understood. There was existence as existence. Then there was the corollary, the possibility of not existing. But there was never the thought of I amness. So the religious descriptions of God as I am, or I am that which I am, never had any reality for me. It still doesn't. Amness is a state of beingness. And the reality is beyond beingness or not beingness. It's beyond existence versus non-existence. It's certainly beyond beingness. So I am is already redundant. Amness, like beingness, is an intransitive verb. That which is the ultimate reality requires no verbs, no adjectives, has no nouns, and doesn't need an intransitive verb of beingness, isness, wasness, or anythingness. It's beyond anythingness. So I amness, to me, is not exactly a valid statement. However, when we calibrate it, it comes out at 650. That which I am is existence. Anybody can reach through meditation. The letting go of identification with the physicality of the body as self, then letting go of the content of mind, becoming the witness of the content of mind, then becoming the awareness behind the experiencer of the witness of the content of the mind. You see, layer by layer, you withdraw your identification from the particular, from the finite, from the definable, from the material. That which I am is the witness of all that is, and the witness does not change depending on content. Yes?
How are you able to use language or the context of this reality when you feel your energy? You're not formed. How are you able to speak to people?
It happens of its own. In the beginning, it doesn't happen at all. There was no mention of it for 30 years. There's only a condition which prevented any participation in the world for a prolonged period of time. Then the body began to participate in the world again. I don't have time to check it out, but it's probably some karmic commitment or propensity to whether or not it continues. There's no necessity to continue, no necessity, but it goes about its business. It was a physician, so it went eventually back into practice. People would say, for instance, I mean, all human motivation disappeared. The mind is silent, and what the world calls human wasn't even there anymore. Even the idea of serving others, helping the world, making a living, all those things that were meaningful were void of, they didn't even exist. That which you are goes about that which it is as an expression of the essence of that which is. It has evolved into over eons of time.